What's up, guys? It's Fishcraft here, back here with another video, and we're going carp fishing. We bought 5 rods, so the carps stand absolute no chance. We got 3 cans of corn. We were here a couple weeks ago, and we hooked 1 carp, and we didn't come with the right gear. So we got 5 rods, and we all got split shots. Little hook and a split shot. I'll get close up to that later, but I think we're gonna get a couple carp today. Should be good.
They're already right there. If you can see it, not sure. A couple of them just.
Yeah, the water level is pretty low on these ponds. So
looks like, what is that, dead?
we'll be able to see them.
Oh no!
We got a carp right there.
There's a sharp dead.
Well, alright. We're gonna bait them up, get the lines in the water.
We're gonna catch these.
We're gonna catch them. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, first thing we're gonna do, got a little can of corn. We're gonna chump the water. It's carp candy right here. I don't think we'll need much.
I don't either. They're already here.
I used a whole can. We already used a can. I have 3. So 1 for baiting, and then we're gonna put some kernels on our hooks. I'll show you guys our rig in a second.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'll show you exactly what we're using. Literally just have a bass rod, and then just got a little tiny hook. Not that small actually, and then literally just 2 split shots, and that's it. And I'm just gonna put a couple, probably like 3 or 4 kernels of corn on there.
I don't even think you need that much.
Yeah, honestly, just probably 2.
But
That's it. Then I'm just gonna cast it out, let it sit on the bottom.
You wanna help me with this? Put the other hook real quick. Casey! Go in for it. Go in for it, dude. It's gone. Oh my god! Get the other rod. Get the other rod. Okay. That's a lesson learned. I got it. Where's he at? Where's he at? He's right here. Okay. Well, folks. You're welcome. I told you, I'm like, it's gonna happen, Casey. You gotta watch them. Oh. Oh my god. I'm like, you gotta go in, Casey.
Honestly, it's a little guy.
He's bleeding.
The one we lost was a lot bigger than this one, but they're definitely like overpopulated. Pretty sure this is just a common carp. Well, I got my rod. I'm soaked, but it's okay. He's bleeding.
I know he is.
Huh, alright. Well,
Put him back, let him.
get some more. Smelly. Well,
Went in the water
Literally.
for one of them.
yeah, went in the water, but just again, got my split shot right there. Literally just 2 kernels of corn on it. Baiting it out. And they just come, pick it up off the bottom. And apparently run with the rod.
Run with your rod, because they want your rod, or they want your thing, Casey.
It was going there for a second.
Do I need to get all the lines in?
Should be fine. We are hooked up. I saw this one pecking for a while.
You got it.
Well, guy.
I'm not letting him take this damn rod. Where's he at? I can't get him, Casey. He's too far out.
Yes, sir. I had to take off my shoes because
You had to go in the water.
I had to go in the water for my rod. So it's been about, I don't know, 30 minutes since our last fish.
No, you're talking too much.
Small little guy, but still a nice fish. Great fight.
I
There he goes. All right.
Like that.
Let's get some more.
Again, dude. Numero tres.
Number 3.
I got this one in.
4. It's like that same size.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Get him in.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, he's crazy, dude.
You're a little angry.
That was less than 5 minutes from that other one.
Bring him in. I got it.
I just forgot to send it out to the middle of the pond. That's where they all are.
It's a bigger one.
Where that hook is. Right in the middle. Yeah, right in the middle top of the mouth. Not a bad guy. Good fight. All of them been like the same size.
Nice though.
Yeah. Nice little fish. We're looking for some bigger ones. Still a nice one though.
Just like that. Oh my god. Woo. Killing him, dude. Hooked up just like that. Oh, he's gonna go.
Oh, he's gonna go into every line.
Where's the net? Where the net at? He's gonna go right over my line. Yep. Trying to not let him tangle. He's tangling.
That's all right.
I got this. Bring him, if you can bring him over to the right or to the left. Either one.
The same size.
Oh, right over the shoes.
Now my shoes are really gonna smell. This guy got a little gut hooked, but I think he'll be all right. See ya.
Oh my god.
Drew's hooked up. Why is it like
catfish?
black, bro?
It's a catfish.
Is it?
I think so. It's just a giant cat.
Oh my gosh, no, it's like a, I think it's a goldfish or something. It's one of those goldfish bars. Oh no, it's a weird looking catfish.
It's a big catfish, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh,
Oh
that's a bonus catfish.
God.
Look at this. Look at this catfish, dude. This thing.
What is that?
It's a channel cat, but he's like,
He's messed up.
he's messed up, man.
It's a big fish, dude.
He is messed up. Never seen a catfish like this at all. He's just got black spots all over him, and his like fins are like growth and messed up.
And he's all old.
His whiskers are weird.
Looks like he's been here for days. Or years, man.
Day.
Days.
That guy, oh my gosh. It's a channel catfish for sure, but he's just weird looking, man. That's the weirdest fish. Oh, there he goes.
The pond monster.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get some more.
That's the pond monster.
Drew's hooked up.
No,
Had to get Drew on a carp.
it's like teaching a little kid how to fish. Don't go in there.
Got the net. Oh.
Carp.
They're all that same exact size. Well, this is our 5th carp. Literally just on a split shot with a small hook and a couple kernels of corn. All that nice cookie cutter size. Nice fish.
This might be a catfish again, dude. I think so. It is.
It's another catfish?
I think so, dude.
Yeah, it is, dude. I think.
Oh my god.
He
He's got a golf ball!
He just throw. Oh my god, it's a snapping turtle.
Is it?
Yes.
Should I snap the line?
No,
That's
Oh
a
my
big
God.
one.
Guys,
I'm not messing with that guy.
it's a snapping turtle. I don't know if you guys can
I don't
see
want to
that.
mess with that.
What the heck, dude? Yeah, I guess we just cut the line. I'm not messing with those, though.
That's a big mother. Oh, I snagged it.
No, he ate it. Or maybe he snagged, I can't. He's gonna eat my toe.
Don't let him eat your toes.
Okay, guys, I think the best thing to do in this situation is we're just gonna cut the line. Alright. Look at that guy.
He's huge.
Look at that guy. Alright, sorry, buddy. You
Cut
have
it.
a hook in your neck, but that's the best situation. And he's gonna
Cut him. Don't get your toe bit off, dude.
Oh,
He's
look
gonna.
how angry. He's so angry. He's so angry.
Just cut it high,
know.
then. Just cut it high.
Okay, guys. Well, that was a snapping turtle. Alright, guys. Little outro here. We ended the little trip with 5 carp and 1 catfish and
it going.
and a snapping turtle too. And
Guess who didn't
Drew,
catch any carp?
yeah, Drew couldn't catch a carp. I let him take my rod because
I caught a
he needed
catfish
he
and
needed
a
to learn
snapping
to park
turtle.
a carp. So, but yeah, he caught a catfish and a snapping turtle. And that catfish was the weirdest looking catfish I've ever seen in my entire life. I don't
Big
know.
one too.
I don't know how they get those markings like that, but that thing, just like everything today, ate a couple split shots and just a hook with a couple kernels of corn, and that was it. But yeah, pretty good day. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get some more.